Have you ever had one of those days where everything feels heavy? You wake up tired, you look at your to-do list and feel defeated before you even begin. You start to wonder, what's the point? And then the whispers creep in. I'll never get there. I'm too far behind. Maybe I'm just not cut out for this. But let me tell you something. That moment right there, the one where you feel like giving up, it's not the end of your story. It's the beginning of your comeback. Motivation isn't magic. It doesn't strike like lightning. It's more like a fire. And when that fire burns low, it needs more than just hope. It needs fuel. So, what fuels motivation when you're running on empty? Start here. 1. Stop chasing perfection. You don't have to do it all. You just have to do something. Small actions are still progress. Even a single step forward is a victory on the days when your energy is low. 2. Reconnect with your why. Why did you start in the first place? Was it for your family, your freedom, your future, your dream? Sometimes we get so caught up in the how that we forget the why, but your reason matters. It's your anchor in the storm. 3. Remember, feelings are not facts. You may feel like you're failing, but feelings are temporary. They pass like clouds, and your ability to rise, that's permanent. 4. Talk to yourself like someone you love. What would you say to a friend in your shoes? Would you criticize them? Tell them they're weak? Of course not. You'd say, hey, it's okay to rest. You're doing your best. Keep going. So say that to yourself with kindness, with patience, with hope. 5. Take one action, no matter how small. Get out of bed. Make your bed. Drink some water. Write one sentence. Walk for 5 minutes. Action creates momentum, and momentum is how you slowly climb out of the fog. 6. Allow yourself to pause, but not to quit. Rest is not the enemy of progress. It's part of it. Breathe, regroup, but keep your heart pointed forward. You don't have to feel ready. You don't have to feel strong. You just have to keep showing up. Because the truth is, you've come further than you think, and you're closer than you know. So if you're tired, rest. But don't give up. If you're stuck, pause, but don't quit. You are allowed to take a break. You are allowed to feel everything. But you are not allowed to give up on yourself, because there is a version of you, just around the corner, who is stronger, wiser, and grateful you kept going. You've got this. Take the next step, even if it's a small one.